lovers, they do understand that they care for you. Okay, there is a lot of care and you care for them as well, and the attraction and the love is pretty go. And this is giving a lot of concern to your person. You know, they are not able to sleep at night, kind of playing on their mind, and they seem to be like, hey everybody, very good morning to you. Good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. This is Neha Tankha, aka Luna the Moon Tarot, your psychic guide, your tarot card reader. And today we are going to do your another energy check. This is a timeless energy check update. What is it that your person is feeling and thinking towards you? What are their current thoughts and feelings towards you, their current energies? What has happened in the past and what is supposed to happen in the future? What are the probabilities? If you are in a no contact situation, in a separation situation, if you have a third party in your connection involved, or if you're going through a divorce, if you're crushing on someone, or even if you are single, this particular reading is going to resonate with most of you, majority of you, so stay tuned. Before I proceed, you already know the drill. Think of your person right now, close your eyes, take 3 deep breaths, take their name and hit the like button and drop I claim in the comment section. Okay, I already see one card is out. 3 of Wands. Something tells me over here that some weight is there. Somebody seems to be like waiting for something to happen. Either you are waiting or they are waiting for the right time to approach you. But it seems like somebody is definitely looking forward for an expansion, either in this connection or otherwise as well. But there is a lot of waiting, planning, expansion is happening in the thought process. Your person is actually waiting for the right time when they can approach you. It seems like there is a lot of waiting happening right now. With the Queen of Cups and the Lovers, they do understand that they care for you. Okay, there is a lot of care and you care for them as well, and the attraction and the love is pretty strong between both of you. And I would not be surprised if it's a twin flame or a soulmate connection, because your particular connection is divinely protected and guided. So in case if you are going through a separation, then do not worry, because divine itself is playing a role in this particular situation. They do care for you, they do love you, they do nurture this relationship. It's just that right now they are waiting, they're stuck. It seems like there is some thought process or something because of which they are waiting, maybe something that has happened because of which they are waiting for the answers to come in. Probably they are waiting for you or something, because I do see the Emperor. Tells me that this person is somebody who is a little bit egoistic, a little bit stubborn, somebody who can be a little bit manipulative as well, can be dealing with very strong Gemini and Aries is what I see right now in the cards. Can be Sun, Moon, Rising, or Venus over here. But I do see very strong cards coming up. This person seems to be waiting for the right moment right now. You are healing, they are healing. It seems to be like something has gone wrong right now. Maybe you are in a no contact situation, maybe not, but definitely there seems to be something wrong right now. You are healing, they are healing, they are giving you space and you are giving them space. It's time wherein you are asked to keep patience, they are asked to keep patience and balance, and actually think what and how things have gone wrong in this particular connection. With the Judgment card, I do see that there is a divine, like I said, divine timing playing a role in this particular situation. There is a divine intervention that is required in this particular connection, and that is about to happen. There is a second chance in this particular connection that will happen and that will take place. By the way, you can be also dealing with the strong Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Sagittarius as well, and Aquarius also seems to be quite prominent here. uh, the hope is not lost. I think there has been some sort of misunderstanding right now, because of which you both may be healing from each other, maybe keeping patience and calm. And right now, either you are being stubborn and egoistic, or they are being stubborn and egoistic. But the funny thing is, both of you are keeping hopes. Okay, the hope is all not lost right now. With the Death card, I see a transformation happening in this particular connection. This particular entire connection is going through a very strong transformation right now, very strong Scorpio energy as well. Page of swords, it seems like your person is stalking you. Maybe they are checking your social media profile, maybe they are checking your online status, maybe they are checking your WhatsApp DP, display picture or something or the other. But in case if they are not, if you are not on social media, they are not on social media, or you have blocked each other, I do see that even after that, I do see that you may have common friends, or you may have known person, known link in between. And I do see that they may be keeping an eye on you. They are waiting, watching and observing. They are being very patient as to when you are going to approach them, because the page of wands tells me and the page of swords tells me that they are waiting, watching and observing. They want to make an appearance in your life. Okay, they want to make an appearance in your life, but they really really don't know. Because see, understand, we have we have all the major arcanas. Okay, we have all the major arcanas here. We have death, we have judgment, we have the lovers, we have the star. So that tells me that your person is going through a transformation, and they want to give it a second chance. Maybe they are they are a lot of realizations that they are coming forward with. They are a lot of realizations, because the star and the lovers tells me that the hope is still there. Okay, the love, the passion, the attraction is still there. With patience, they are healing, they are transforming, they are observing, they are waiting for the right time when they can actually appear in your life. Because it seems like they are scared. What if they don't get a positive response from your end? What if you don't respond the way they thought you will? So they are trying to heal. Give it some time, so that when they appear, things can again become better between you and your person. So that's what is happening right now. But your person is definitely going to reach out to you, and pretty soon. It is not going to take more than a week's time. The hermit tells me that right now you may have gone into a shell, they may have gone into a shell, but there's a lot of self introspection, there's a lot of introspection, realization, transformation, soul searching, direction searching. Everything is happening at one go, and this is giving a lot of concern to your person. They are not able to sleep at night. They are feeling very anxious, depressed. Futuristic worries are actually kind of playing on their mind, and they seem to be like, kind of tired of thinking what is going to happen in the future. They are feeling very very tired. And with the page of pentacles, I do see that they want to send you a message, they want to reach out to you, they want to be in they want to give you clarification, they want to speak to you, because they do see you as somebody who brings them, who gives them stability, their life a meaning, their life some stability and security. You are somebody who's grounded, and you're somebody who's too good, because you know how to take care of things, you know how to take care of emotions as well as materialistic or relationship stuff. And there has been an imbalance, and they do realize that there has been an imbalance in this particular relationship. You have been sacrificing a lot, you have been giving in this connection, investing in this connection a lot, and now they have started to realize. But they are juggling, because you know why they are juggling to take an action? Because obviously all those processes are there, but they are juggling because their ego and pride is actually stopping them, okay, to reach out to you. Okay, so that is why I say they are juggling. Their ego and pride is sort of stopping them, but at the same point of time, those emotions and everything is weighing quite heavy on them. Okay, they are feeling overwhelmed, they can't take this burden of you being away, you being distancing yourself, or probably if there is silence and crickets everywhere between you and them. I don't see a breakup, I don't even see a no contact situation, but what I see is silence. Who's going to reach out first? Is that so? Am I making sense? Do let me know in the comment section. Four of Pentacles, here it comes just when I said that. Somebody seems to be hiding their feelings. Probably you are hiding your feelings. Your person is hiding their feelings, but somebody seems to be like hiding the feelings, because uh, when it comes to expressing, the expressing is not happening. Okay, somebody seems to be like hiding, not expressing what they are truly going through or what they are truly feeling. For few of you, I see either your or your person's heart chakra seems to be blocked. You have kind of created a wall. Okay, you have kind of created a wall, and maybe you have blocked them, they have block them, or maybe one of you have blocked the energetically, you know what I'm trying to say. So they can be energetic block as well. With the three of pentacles, I see that until unless you do not see a teamwork, as in 50-50 investment in this particular connection, wherein you are ready to invest, are they equally investing or not, you are not ready to open up, you are not ready to bring down the walls, you're not ready to open up and receive their love or give the same kind of love that you have been giving or sacrificing in this particular connection. All right, now very few of you, it is not going to resonate with each and every one of you, but very few of you, I do see that there is a third party situation in this particular connection. Okay, so this is, by the way guys, I forgot to say, I started with keeping in mind that this is going to be the overall energy, monthly energy for the month of August. Okay, and since you are going to watch it before or around Lionsgate portal, so make sure that you watch it till the end of this particular video, because I'm going to suggest the spell work that is going to benefit you and help you reconcile with your partner. So you can reunite. I can help you reunite with your person, with your lover, with your partner. So anyway, like I said, there seems to be very few of you it is going to resonate. There seems to be a third party situation in this particular connection, and this person can be married or probably you are married, but third party equation seems to be there. Okay, or you are asking for a marriage commitment from this person and you still not have the clarity. Now, since you've made it very clear that in your thought process that you want somebody who's ready to invest in this particular connection the way you do, equally, okay, there should be an equal investment. It should not be an imbalance in this situation, in this particular connection. I do see that somewhere down the line, you are not dating for fun, you are not in a relationship for fun, you are not in a relation for flings or a short term. I see that you are here for a long term, and you are somebody who is quite a traditional person. We can be dealing with the Taurian, or this person seems to be quite traditional person. There seems to be marriage commitment over here in the picture. Either you want one, or you guys are already committed but things are not working out. I see that they are looking for a new beginning, but the problem is that whenever they look for a new beginning, they just say for a new beginning, but they are somebody who is very casual. Okay, who doesn't want to take any responsibility of their action. They just keep walking, they just keep asking for new opportunities, new beginnings, one after the other. But whenever you try to give them a chance, they sort of ruin it every time after few days, and that is because they are being careless and non responsive, or not responsible, not ready to take the charge or responsibilities in their life. Okay, with the Ace of Wands, I do see that there is a lot of passion, there's a lot of passion, there's a lot of uh, um, attraction that this person feels towards you. They are thinking of the idea as to how they should approach you. Right now they are being emotional, but they are trying to kind of curb their emotions right now, and thinking about the ideas or what to say to you when they reach out to you, so that everything becomes fine between you and your person and you're ready for a new beginning. Can be dealing with a Leo, Sun, Moon, Rising, High Priestess. Intuitively, you know that this is going to happen, or intuitively, this person is feeling something. Okay, intuitively they feel that there are a lot of things going on behind the wall. They want to understand what's going on in your mind, and something definitely is off because you are not your usual self, it seems. And intuitively they are getting those energies and those vibes. They want to come forward, they want to have a new beginning, their cup of love is overflowing, their emotions are overflowing. They just can't keep things within themselves anymore. And with the Queen of Wands, I do see that they are very attracted towards you. They are very attracted towards you. They see you as somebody who has magnetic aura, who is somebody who is very charming, a go-getter, maybe doing well in your career on a very good level as well. um, but now they want to take the control of this particular situation, because I think or I also am sensing that they see you as somebody who try to control them. In their eyes, in their mind, they feel that you are very controlling. Maybe you are not, maybe they do things that you try to kind of tell them that this is not right, this is wrong, but in their mind they see, oh, this person is very controlling. So that is something that they are running away from, and that is why they are having their walls up high. Somebody may have even blocked you, or them, somebody may have even blocked. But right now I see that even though they want to take the control of this particular situation, but they have their walls up high, because with the devil I do see that there are some toxic nature, some toxic energies also I see in this particular connection. Can be dealing with the Capricorn as well, sun, moon, rising, Venus. But you know maybe this thing that they feel that you are trying to control them, this connection or something, they feel walls up high, and they feel that it's getting too much for them to take, or something of that sort. Wherein I feel that over here, because I see this person as a little bit immature. We have received the Page of Wands, we have received the Fool. So these cards tell me that immature behavior, somebody who may be younger to you, if not younger, then at least thought process wise they are very immature, because I see very casual behavior, and you are somebody who's quite traditional. You don't take that kind of behavior. Probably you are somebody who's more mature, and when you try and explain things, this person takes it in a very negative way. But I see that in the upcoming future they are looking forward, they are thinking about you, a life with you. They want to be with you, they want to have a stable, secured future with you, because they are in love with you. They see you as their soulmate. Okay, they feel that this particular connection is not going to go anywhere. But right now it seems like this person feels that you have walked away, you have emotionally cut yourself off, shut yourself off. But once they will come back in your life, probably this person walked away after a fight or something, or an argument. And once they feel they are going to come back, everything is going to be resolved, and they know whenever they are going to make an entry in your life, you will accept them back. But I see confusion. I see in upcoming 2 days to 2 weeks, okay, at the max, this person is going to make that entry. And what will happen to you in your actions? I feel that you are confused. In fact, this person is also an illusion that whenever I'm going to make an appearance, this my person is going to take me back. But now I see that there is a lot of stubbornness in the air. Probably you are going to become stubborn, because I feel that you feel very suffocated, you feel very claustrophobic in this particular connection. Okay, you feel pain, you feel hurt, you feel unheard, you feel misery, you feel grief, you feel cheated, you feel betrayed in this particular connection. And you feel that until unless this person is not ready to apologize for the behavior and realize and correct themselves in the right way, okay, and communicate what exactly they need to do to survive in this particular connection, okay, that till that time you will not take the apology back, or you will not be in this particular connection. With Four of Swords, I see that you have been overthinking, they have been overthinking about the betrayal, about the loneliness. And I feel that either you are ready to end this connection, or they are ready to end the connection, or somebody has walked away now thinking, is it the end of this particular relationship? Because both of you saw a life together, okay, a happily ever after. Both of you saw a family together, but now everything seems to be conflicted in your heart. Okay, so this is the overall energy of the month of August. It's a mixed bag because I see that it is not a breakup, it's taking space time, and your person is definitely going to approach you. I don't see that everything is over, this person is not going to approach you. No, nothing of that sort is going to happen. But at the same point of time, I do see that this person is conflicted, and they may have taken you and your action and your sacrifices and your stuff for granted. And they have been a little immature when it comes to partnership. They have been a little immature when it comes to you and handling the relationship with you. But now the August month is the month of realization and reaching out. They are going to reach out to you because they understand that they cannot live without you. They want a new beginning. They get pulled towards you, and you are the one they want to spend their life with. They want to get married to you, but not before. And you would not accept them until unless you don't make sure that they have understood and they have realized what and where they have gone wrong. You are not going to take breadcrumbs anymore. It seems that you are very sure about it. Okay. And by the way, guys, 88 portal, if you haven't booked the spell work with me, do book the spell work, because 88 portal is very strong till 12th of August. It is going to stay very, very, very strong. Okay, the veil between our world and spiritual world is very thin. And if you're gonna make do any sort of manifestation, it is going to be heard pretty soon. Okay, and accepted pretty soon by the universe. Any sort of spell work, if you go ahead and book with me, it is going to give you a lot of good results. I am hoping for best for all of you. And in case if you are looking for booking base this particular reading, and if this particular situation resonates with you, then you can go for the 21 days love combo. I'm running a discount on that already. In case if you do not have that kind of budget, you can ask for a 3 days mini love combo. Or if you're looking for a love reconciliation communication spell work, you can ask for love reconciliation communication spell work. For person to get obsessed with you, then obsession spell. For marriage commitment, go for marriage commitment. And for third party removal, go for third party removal. In this situation, you can also, by the way guys, you can also go for the cat candle, because that is one spell that I do only once a month on full moon, and I'm going to perform it on 8th of August. Okay, so if you want to book that, you can book that as well. That is also a very powerful one. To read more about it, you can visit my Instagram highlights. In price list highlight, you will be able to find everything listed out there. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I'm gonna see you in the next video. May your August be as fun as it can be, to make you feel better. If you are struggling with emotions, I'm sure it is going to make you feel better, because July, of course, has been a little off month, but August, I'm expecting few good things happening, things changing, energies changing, and good things slowly and gradually coming in. August is all going towards improvement. All right, so I'm going to see you in the next video. Bye bye.